Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, we're going to calculate the radius of a cone that's given here in this diagram. You can think of the blue part as perhaps water that might be filling up part of the cone. In the picture, you can see that we have two triangles which are broken apart below. So let's go ahead and let's label the side lengths of the triangles. For the big triangle, our top is our radius, and that's actually what we want to find. The left side in our big triangle is 10 centimeters. And then on our small triangle, the top part is 6 centimeters, and the left-hand side is 4 centimeters. Let's now notice that both triangles have a right angle. And then they also have an angle in common, which we'll denote like that. So if they have two angles that are equal, that means the third angle also has to be equal. So that will tell us that the corresponding sides are going to be proportional. So we can write that proportionality as R is to 10. The top side is to the left side. As in the small triangle, the top side is to the left side. We'll multiply both sides of the equation to solve for R. So R is going to be 6 over 4 times 10, which is 60 divided by 4. So our radius is going to be 15, and let's check the units. We're working with centimeters, so we write down 15 centimeters. We were able to use similar triangles to be able to find out one unknown quantity in our problem. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.